Now look, I've done a few stupid things in my life, but this is one of the cleverest things I think I've ever done. Putting the rooftop tent, flipping it around, making a platform to walk up into, just so good. Alright, bear with me here, this is a little bit of a rant. So the Canopy didn't have a spare wheel on the back, it won't fit underneath, so we've got the spare wheel holder on the back. Now there's another one has to go on yet, so they'll have 2 spare wheels in the back. Now the problem that I have with the spare wheels on is now the ladder won't fit this way anymore, so I can't open the rooftop tent up from the back. Now that's a little bit of an issue because, well, if I can't open it up right, I get in from the side, that's fine, but I have to have the canopy door closed. Not an issue, but it does stuff things up a little bit. When I go to close it down, I can't pack it up properly either. So that's a bit of an issue too. So what I've thought I've done, I've went and got an ARB roof platform for the top of the cab. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to put that on, put a piece of wood down, marine carpet, put the ladder onto the roof rack on the front of the cab, climb up onto that, flip the rooftop tent around so it opens from that cab side, and just be able to walk in. Pack up's easier, getting in and out's easier, there's somewhere to put your shoes now too. It just ticks a lot of boxes. So I'm just going to give it a go and see. Hopefully it'll work out really well. We're off to DI this weekend coming, so give me a good chance to test it out. So the first thing we need to do, we're going to get the rooftop tent off its brackets, put it up on that hoist we have on the roof, which is coming in really handy these days, and we're going to spin it and then we'll get into the rest of it. So we'll unbolt it and we'll bring you back when it's ready to lift off. And that's how we get the rooftop tent off badly. So now, obviously that's the way it's facing, but we'll take the awning off, put it on that side, take the max tracks off, put them on this side, take the ladder mountings off because we won't need them anymore. And we've just got to extend the Andersons because they'll both be further back. We'll flip it around, we'll lift it back up and we'll put it back on. And hopefully it'll be as easy as that. And then we just need to put the front roof basket on. Good? Yeah. Alright, cool. So we've got the awning and everything on the tent. We've done some extensions to the electrics, the solar panel and the electric for inside the tent. So we've extended all of those. We've moved the brackets. We've done everything we can. So it's time now to lift it back up, put it on the car and start fitting that off. And then we'll get the roof basket on the front. Turn that back light off. Yeah. Yep. He's probably there. So all of that took way longer than expected, but we've got the rooftop. It's not dark, you can probably see. Rooftop tent's bolted on. That was an absolute pain in the arse, but anyway, it's done. We've put the roof rack on the front, so now I've just cut up some sheets of ACM, which is this aluminium composite panel. Put a few holes in them. It comes with a backing, so we'll rip this backing off, and then I'm going to put it on top and put some marine carpet down. Then all we have to do after that is just try and configure how the ladder's going to attach to the roof rack, which might be a tomorrow job. I'll get this done because it's about 8 o'clock on a Sunday night and I've been doing this all day, so I might call it a night. Actually, I might call it a night after I put this down. I might do the marine carpet, I'm not sure. Anyway, all I'm going to do is stick it down. So I'll come back to you when we have that done. I'll come back, whether that's tonight or tomorrow, and we'll get it all finished. So it is tomorrow. So it's not tomorrow, it's the next weekend. I have spent a couple hours this week redoing the top of the roof rack because the ACM which I wanted to use was a bit too bendy in the end of it. So what I've done is I went to Bunnings and got some 6mm marine ply, covered it with a bit of green marine carpet, and I've wrapped it underneath with the stuff I wrapped the bonnet with. It's just black matte vinyl wrap underneath, so it all looks pretty good. I'll show you that in a second. But yeah, this is the first time really getting into the tent and opening it up, so let's see if it all works. I hope it does, because I haven't got a plan B. We are on the beach. Right, so that was pretty easy. Let's just do that, and that's about it. All working. So I can leave my shoes off here and just walk in. I am super happy with this. All working beautifully. Gonna go down now, have a few beers, get something to eat, enjoy the day, sleeping here tonight. I'm gonna wake up with this amazing view tomorrow. That's it for this episode. Please subscribe and we'll see you again really soon.